guys, thank you so much for clicking on my video today. We're gonna do something a little different. Normally I sit here and I do my makeup for you guys, but I wanted to try out the new Wet n Wild Pump face mask. This has been causing a little bit of controversy in my opinion in the beauty community because a lot of people either hate it or love it. So I wanted to kind of just see what the hype was about this product. So if you want to see what happens to me and my face, just keep on watching. Alright guys, so this video is going to be very interesting because a lot of people hate this face mask. And I hate to use the word hate, but I tried to find YouTube videos on this mask and they have all been bad. Everyone has said it's been extremely painful to peel off your face. One girl said she had to use a butter knife and scrape it off. And I was like, oh my goodness, a butter knife? I was like, oh no, that's gonna jack up my skin. I'm never gonna try that mask. Well, guess who bought the mask? This idiot right here. Because this idiot, despite watching negative reviews on this mask, I'm going to try it for you guys. So you guys don't go out and buy this mask if it's as terrible as people say, because I'm going to injure my skin for you. I might as well destroy my skin and I might as well do it on camera for your guys' entertainment. Yep, so that's what we're about to do today. But before you guys possibly watch me rip off the first layer of my skin, you guys should hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can see me destroy my skin some more. I am a hairy beast. We're just gonna get it out there now. I am a hairy beast. I grow a mustache. I grow a beard. I have sideburns. Unibrow, everything. And guess who didn't wax her face this week? This girl right here. So not only do I have problematic skin, I'm also hairy right now. Hairy AF. So we're gonna do a peel off mask on my hairy AF skin. This is gonna be lovely. This is gonna be lovely. I got the Wet n Wild Pump Tone Up Brightening Glitter Mask, and this one is the pink one. They do have a second one, which is the black one, and that one is for purifying, which probably should have been the one I got because, you know, problematic skin. But pink is my favorite color, so the pink one. That's literally the only reason why I got the pink one, is because pink is my favorite color. First world problems, man, let me tell you. Alright, so according to the Wet n Wild website, which I have pulled up on my phone, pump up your skin routine with the Tone Up Brightening Glitter Mask, an IG-worthy, glitter-infused peel-off mask that will leave you with radiant, youthful-looking skin. Treat yourself to a spacation for your face. Hashtag self-care. Okay, so that is basically all the claims. And currently right now on Wet n Wild website, there is no reviews on this product, which is so strange because Wet n Wild always seems to get a ton of reviews on their new products. And on the CVS website, there was like no reviews either. So that makes me a little concerned because I'm like, I've only found negative reviews on YouTube. There's no reviews online. And And they haven't really been promoting it a lot on their social media. So, I know I'm about to jack on my skin. So, according to the directions, which is on the back of the jar, it says apply to a clean face, let dry completely for 25 to 30 minutes. That's a long time. Okay, so we're gonna let it sit for 25 to 30 minutes and then peel off starting from the edges. Okay, so my face is already prepped. I've already washed my face. Alright, so it smells like alcohol. It really does. And this is what it looks like. It looks like a pink glitter jelly, which is very, very, very interesting. Alright, I am going to use my e.l.f. mask applicator. It's just a silicone brush. And like I said, it's from the brand e.l.f. And I really like this to use my face mask, to apply my face mask. So we're going to apply this to the skin. So the mask is very, very sticky, but it's very, very cooling. Like if I wait, like it's very cold, which feels really nice. I put an even layer on my face. Advice, I would probably say to do a thicker layer. It's gonna help in the peeling process. If you put too thin of a layer, I can possibly see how this mask will be hard to peel off, and I don't want those type problems. So I am going to let this dry, and I will be back in about 30 minutes and I will peel this off, and hopefully, fingers crossed, that this mask peels very easily. I don't have the biggest hopes for that, but you never know. You never know. So yeah, I will see you back in 30 minutes for the peeling process of this mask. Bye. So it's been about 40, 50 minutes later. It took a really long time for this mask to dry, and I can barely talk because it is dry. I think there might be like a little patch right here that might still be a little wet, but if it's still wet, I'll wash it off. But for the most part, this mask is dry. It's starting to peel up around my mouth. I know that this is gonna hurt. You know, like when you know, like I know that this is gonna hurt, but I gotta start somewhere, so.
Oh god. Okay, this actually kinda hurts. Ooh, alright, okay, you got this. Ow, ooh! Oh, it's getting like every little hair on my face. Alright. It's kind of soft, like, it makes it so red. Oh, the mustache, oh, the mustache, oh, the mustache. Chin hair, oh. Why did I do this? Okay. You're a thug, you can do this. Okay.
So I'm gonna take some e.l.f. cleansing cloth, and I'm just gonna wipe my skin, get any like little residual like glitter pieces or mass on my face. And to moisturize, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Rose Multi-Use Oil. I started using this a couple weeks ago, and I actually have a YouTube video on my channel. I'll link it, of my first impressions of this oil. And I said I was going to continue to use it to see if it does anything to my skin. So I'm still in the process of trying it out. I will promise to update you guys in a video really soon on what I think it has done for my skin. But I'm going to use this just to moisturize because, like I said, my skin is pretty dry right now. Do I feel like this mask did what it claimed? I only used it once, so I can't necessarily say that it made my skin super bright, because I think that stuff like this, you have to use it a couple of times. So I'll, depending on how my skin reacts, I'll try this mask again, and I'll update you on if it does do what it claimed, which is supposed to be tightening and brightening. I will say, however, the mask is super cute. Like, if you want a cute face mask that you can put like selfies of yourself on Instagram or Facebook or your Twitter, this is definitely the mask for it. I mean, it's cute, it's pink, it's glitter. Why not? Yeah, this mask is super cute. So if you want it for that reason alone, and you have the money for it, it's pretty inexpensive. I think it's like $9 on the Wet n Wild website, and I got mine from CVS, and I had a coupon for CVS bucks, so I paid like half the price for it. So if you can find it at your CVS and you want to try it, I mean, that's completely up to you. Was it painful to remove? Yes. Was it the worst peel-off mask I've ever removed? No. I have a very high pain tolerance, so I can see someone who does not have a high pain tolerance finding that very painful. But with that being said, my skin did feel pretty soft, I'm not gonna lie, after I took off the mask. And it feels pretty soft now, so that's always really nice. Now, do I think you need this mask? No. No, I don't think that this mask is a necessity by any means. Like, this is not something important that you have to need or your life is gonna end. But if you have some extra bucks and you want a cute face mask and you come across this in your local CVS, or if Wet n Wild is having a sale and you want to pick it up, I mean, it won't hurt. I mean, it will hurt, but I mean, it's not a make or break. Do I like this mask? I mean, only time will tell if my skin gets jacked up and I break out. Hopefully that's not the case. Hopefully I don't update you guys in a couple days and be like, this little treasure here messed up my skin. But it did pull off the first layer of my skin today. So with that being said, I am going to end this video by saying thank you so much for watching. Like I said in the beginning of my video, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you know when I upload another video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!